Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, and in this video I am solving math examination, that means mathematics admission test. This is the test for those students who are applying for mathematics or computer science as a subject in Oxford University, Imperial College or University of Warwick. So that is the examination for that admissions test. So today I am solving 2023 recent paper, previous year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side, or want to take doubt clearing session, or want to take previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav Sir himself reply individually through WhatsApp. Already all you know that Dr. Soros's class is the best coaching institution for any type of mathematics related examination. If you want to take admission in our site or want to take preparation from our site, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Soros's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number A. What will say that question? This question say this in this question we'll write alpha equals to log 2 base 10 and beta equals to log 3 base 10 and gamma equals to log 10 base 7 base 10. So each of the following closest to an integer, which is the closest to an integer. So how to solve that question? We need to analyze, and each of these we can write it as, and that way m plus log 10 base n, where m is an integer and n is a number between 9 and where m is an integer and n is a number between 9 and 10. Okay, so the closest to m plus 1, we should pick 1 with n closest to 10. So first of all we'll analyze 2 beta. 2 beta means what? 2 log 10 base 3, that means 2 will come to the power of 3, that means 3 square means 9, that can be written as in log 10 base 9. So now we can write it here 5 alpha plus beta. 5 alpha plus beta. So 5 alpha plus beta means what? The value here 5 alpha means 5 into log 10 base 2 plus log 10 base 3. Okay, so that means log 10 base 2 to the power 5 into 3. So that can be written as in that way also, 1 plus log 10 base 6 log 9.6 base 10. Yeah, and alpha, now we can analyze the third options, that is alpha plus 2 gamma. Alpha plus 2 gamma. So this is alpha means log 2 base 10 plus 2 gamma means 2 log 7 base 10. So that means that can be written as log 10 base, yeah, 2 into 7 square. Yes or no? Right. So after that we can find out, that is 1 plus log 9.8 base 10. Okay, so 2 alpha plus 5 beta. Next option is 2 alpha plus 5 beta. So how can I solve? 2 alpha plus 5 beta means 2 into alpha, that means 2 into log 2 base 10 plus 5 beta means 5 into log 3 base 10. Okay, so that can be written as that can be written as in that way also, that is here what, that is here uh, log 2 square into 3 to the power 5 base 10. Yes or no? So that means 2 plus log 9.72 base 10. Okay. So after that, the last option is 2 alpha plus beta plus gamma. So 2 alpha plus beta plus gamma. So here 2 alpha means what? 2 alpha means 2 into log 2 base 10 plus beta means log 3 base 10 plus log 5 log 7 base 10. Okay, only log 7 base 10. So that can be written as in that way: log 10 base 2 square into 3 into 7. Okay, so what will be the answer? That can be written as 1 plus log base 10, that is 8.4. Yes or no? And so which is the closest to an integer? Here we can check each of these options. Here log 9 base 10, just check, need to check that portion. Log 9 base 10, 9.6 base 10. So which number is closest to or nearest to 10? Okay, so 9.9, 9.6, 9.8, 9.72 or 8.4. Here the much closest is what? 9.7, 9, sorry, 9.8. So this is the for which option? This is for option C, alpha plus 2 gamma. So option C will be the correct answer for that question. Okay, so here we have a lot same like other institution. Here we can provide the additional solution after analysis of each question, deep analysis of each question. So to know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and your family, and stay connected with us to get notification of all our video. Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. So we will meet you in the next session soon. Thank you.